Hydroponics. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water instead. Here are general steps to establish a hydroponic system. Step 1. Choosing the type of hydroponic system. There are several types of hydroponic system available, including deep water culture, nutrient film technique, drip irrigation, and more. Choose the one that fits your needs and space. Step 2. Select the plant to grow. Choose the plants you want to grow and make sure they are suitable for hydroponics cultivation. Step 3. Set up the growing area. Select an area that receives adequate light and is protected from extreme temperature. Install a growing container and adding growing medium to it. Step 3. Install the hydroponic system. Install the hydroponic system of your choice, including the water savior, pump, tubing, and any other necessary component. Step 5. Add the nutrient solution. Mix the nutrient solution according to manufacturer's instructions and add it to the water reservoir. Step 6. Add the plants. Insert the plants into the growing medium and place them into the hydroponic systems and tubes. Step 7. Monitor the system. Regularly monitor the pH and nutrient level of the water as well as the growth and health of the plants. Adjust the nutrient solution as needed. Step 8. Harvest the plants. When the plants are ready for harvest, carefully remove from hydroponic system. By following steps, you can establish your own hydroponic system and grow healthy plants without soil. Thank you.